Hi guys, if you're facing this problem, SystemRestore is disabled by the administrator or as the option is grayed out. So what you have to do, you have to just search registry editor. Now click on registry editor to open it. Now before doing anything, it's a good idea to take a backup of it. So click on file, click on export and take a backup anywhere. Now what you have to do after that, you have to go to this path, HKey local machine, software, policies, Microsoft, Windows NT, SystemRestore. I've given this path in the description of this video. You can directly copy this from there and just paste it, replace this address bar from this address and hit enter. Now once you are in the SystemRestore, in the right side, just select both disable config and disable SR and delete them. And now restart your computer and try again and your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. Please do like the video to support us and thanks for watching the Geek.